and welcome back to CC, that is the Chinmun and Co-Pilot classes, and where we companion psychology with presence, not pressure. So today we will begin our journey into class 11th psychology with simple question: what is psychology? Fine. So psychology is a scientific study of mental processes, now behavior and experiences. Now it helps us to understand how we think, feel, learn, and relate to others. It is not just about disorders or therapy. It is about everyday life. Now, from how we remember birthdays to how we feel during festivals. Psychology is everywhere. Even if you think about AIs also use psychology, and for that the certain videos up there, or you can read my blog post on psychology Bespeak, where you will find how AIs also use psychology, right? So next, so what's regarding the scope and relevance? Now, psychology is used in education, like health, sports, business, and even arts. Now, if you feel that it is limited to certain fields, it is not so. It is used everywhere. Teachers use to understand students, why they how they can be facilitated, why students behave the way they are, and things like that we will discuss later on in detail. Doctors use it to support patients. Even festival rituals like lighting a diya or fasting, they reflect psychological meaning. Now regarding this, you can read on my blog post on my blog Psychology Bespeak. The link I will be giving in the description. You can just, if you are interested in how or psychology is related to religions, etc. So it's a bridge between science and soul. Now psychology as a discipline. Now regarding it, because you are all going to be studying this, psychology is a discipline that uses observation, experimentation, and reflection. Now it is not guesswork. Okay, I felt like this, so it is like this. No, it is not. It is quantified. It is a scientific study. Ask, why do people behave way they do? How do emotions shape decisions? Now in the next video, we will explore how psychologists study behavior. So for today, what is psychology? Psychology is a mirror to the mind, like a diya that lights up our understanding of ourselves and others. Now join me in this course as we companion each chapter with clarity, care, and CC sparkle. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.